It's another early morning here in Bali. We got up at 5 a.m. and made our way about an hour from Ubud to the Nungnung waterfall. We came down to this little plaza here. It cost 20,000 rupiah to get the pass to go down to the waterfall and 2,000 rupiah to park, which is like nothing. I'm so excited to go down and see this waterfall. I'm a big waterfall guy.
I'm Andrew.
Yes, yeah, this is Andrew. You guys probably know him. If you're new to the channel, there you go.
If you're hip, you probably already know me, but life goes on if you don't, you know?
We're all energized up from that drive. And Kinta said, don't drive as fast as your headlights, and all of our headlights are terrible. I got bugs in my eyes, but that's just all part of it.
I see you locked down inside of your head. You've got tangled up in your own